Come on. Alex, please let me help you with that.
Mommy, I'm perfectly capable.
So listen, Mom's gonna meet you at the train station, and I want you to call me as soon as you get there. So let me give you some money in case you want some lunch or something, okay? There you go.
$5? I don't see any golden arches.
Just 5 more.
Thanks, sis.
You're welcome.
Hey, would you like me to help you with that, sweetie? Hey, watch the Italians.
I have an IQ of 143 and a green belt in Taekwondo. I think I'm perfectly capable of lugging this suitcase. Don't you?
Hey, you got yourself a little Weisenheimer over here. She belong to you?
She's my sister.
Lucky you. Ha!
Be nice, okay? Bye.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, I'm filling in for Andy.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I'm usually on the 1700 line. Joe Minetti.
Oh, nice to meet you, Zoe Clark.
Would you stash my stuff for a second?
Right back here?
Yeah.
Whoa.
My collection of toy trains. Got everything in there. Got a passenger car, dining car, little red caboose. You know, choo, choo.
Thanks, I didn't know what you meant until you did that little choo-choo thing.
Want me to do it again?
Oh, that's okay.
Hey.
Choo-choo.
Hey, Warden.
Jack Kramer.
Ralph Canner.
How are you, Ralph?
All right, let's get this show on the road. Who's who?
That's Tommy Zimmer. First-degree murder. Killed his wife and the girl she was screwing around with. He's doing life. Luke Sinclair. His wife and daughter were killed. So what does he do? He pops the guy who did it right on the courthouse steps.
Guess I wouldn't have done the same thing.
He's a pretty straight shooter. I doubt he'll give you any trouble. That's Hector, the director, Miller. Murdered 11 people about 6 years ago. Always reenacts a scene from a horror film. Mostly talks in movie quotes.
Yeah, I heard some story about when this guy was in Canada waiting to get transferred.
Yeah, pretended to have a heart attack.
Yeah.
When the nurse came in, old Hector...
Hey, you better tell that, right?
That's Ian Kelly, convicted arsonist and explosives expert. He fashioned a bomb out of a roll of tinfoil and drain cleaner. Killed 14 people at a rent-a-car agency. Said he wasn't satisfied with the service.
Well, apparently not. Yeah, this one I know. Lorenzo Michelli, head of the biggest crime family on the West Coast. What's he serving, 300 years?
He's only got 292 left.
I tell you, Jack, I feel a hell of a lot better if we were flying.
Well, ever since that plane load of prisoners went down in Vegas, the FAA doesn't want to have anything to do with us. Besides, that's a state-of-the-art prison car. I doubt if the passengers will ever even know you're there.
You're in my seat.
What?
We're gonna need a bigger boat. Get out of my seat.
What are you, some kind of moron?
Get him up! I've been told you're not a troublemaker, so I'll give you the benefit of the doubt on this one. As for the rest of you, I don't want to hear a peep. Unless you're dying, or your teeth are floating.
Looks like teacher has a pet.
Excuse me. Do you think I can have something to drink?
Well, I'm not really supposed to be serving yet, but I think I'll make an exception in your case.
A beer will be fine.
Domestic or imported?
Domestic, please.
you go.
Root beer. My favorite kind.
I'm Zoe. What's your name?
Alex Kittner, and I'm traveling all by myself.
Wow, well, where's your seat? I'll come by later. We can play some cards.
I only play for money.
Well, me too. I paid for my entire college education playing Go Fish.
Hey, sweetie. Scotch and water.
I'm sorry, sir. I can't start serving till the train starts moving.
Kids got a drink.
She asked nicely.
Oh, gee, I'm sorry. Pretty please, can I have a Scotch rocks? Miss Train bartender lady?
We're leaving soon, sir.
I guess I'll wait.
I see your ticket there, sir.
It must be back at my seat. Can I give it to you later?
Sure. How about yours, little lady? Your ticket, please.
Thanks, doll.
That man had a gun.
What, a gun? Wow. What kind do you think it was? Maybe a laser gun? Or a spear gun? Glue gun, maybe.
Zoe, I'm serious.
Well, maybe he's a policeman. I can check it out. Why don't you go back to your seat, and I'll see you in a little while, okay? Vitamin C.